Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just gonna dive into Bitcoin once again, and things are looking so good, so cute. But before we talk about it, join me into the Discord and thank you everyone for making me reach 7,000 subs. I just wanna knock the 10,000 wall down before my birthday in June. So whoever has contributed, thanks a lot. Let's keep on doing these things, okay? So here we are, and I just want to say that the right shoulder is under construction here. So the left shoulder was completed. Here's your left shoulder. The head was completed. The only thing that's left right now is this right shoulder. Kick the butt off this neckline, and then boom, we got $57,000, and that's gonna be a very, very, very sweet journey. But this one now seems likely to play out because that's one of the most bullish reversal sign that you can get in a chart pattern. So all in all, I'm just gonna give you another refresher once again what happened here. So you were in a downtrend for a while, so this was your downtrend out there. You made a nice, good, beautiful channel just like that of a downtrend, and finally you broke the downtrend, and now you're just moving up and up and up. So you're making a very mini uptrend at the moment. Okay, so higher lows right there, lower high if you want to say, and then you're making one high, and then potentially if you go up there you're making another higher high, and then that's just how this is gonna be looking like in the next coming future and coming days potentially. So things are at the moment honestly looking very, very good, very nice. And let's bring in the EMAs as well. So the most bullish thing about Bitcoin is really about to happen right now, and that's the bullish cross. Do you see this? So the 55 and the 10 are actually supporting the prices. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna change the look and appearance of the 10 as well to the yellow color. This one just changes by default all the time. It sucks, man. All right, so here we are. Yep, so you can see the 10 and the 55 about to cross one another, and the price is right now, this is making a doji right there. So that's a decisive candle, and this closes by the next 15 hours. So if tomorrow we come a little bit down to 43,390, and then you make another green candle, then you're putting in a morning star right there, and there's a possibility and a chance to break through the wall resistance out there. You break the wall, go to $46,000, come back for the $44,000, and then from there you back test and you pass the back test, and we're looking to go up to that price target right there, which is going to be nearly 57,700. I'm going to mark a horizontal line right there, and that's going to be your next technical target out of this inverse head and shoulders. I don't really think we need to know anything more about Bitcoin, guys. This is going to be a very small, short, quick update. Yes, the right shoulder is under construction right now. Now, unless we don't start to calm down, coil up, and we lose these levels, we lose this trend line, then that's going to be nasty, okay? This is going to be just a whole big fake bull trap right there. But I don't think so. I don't think so. We've been dumping ever since November, guys. Logically, sentimentally, it does make sense that right now, this is a proper reversal to continue the uptrend to the upside, because nothing goes down forever, nothing goes up forever. This is just a cycle of ups and downs, ups and downs. So just because you saw this downtrend, you're not going to believe that one day you're going to go up, but you're going to go up because the market has to go up. The market has to move ups and downs. That's just life. That's just how it is. Inverse head and shoulders, bullish pattern. On the weekly, Heiken Ashi are bullish. We have morning stars as well. And right now, even the bearish pin bar didn't play out, and this is a biggest sign that the bears are actually exhausted. They didn't even push the price to the downside after a bearish pin bar, so that has only one meaning, and that means that the bulls are stepping in, the buyers are coming in, and we're going to go to the upside. One thing that was actually very surprising to me, because based on the chart patterns, you know what, we had a head and shoulders up here, a big massive head and shoulder, which was this being your left shoulder, being your head right there, and this was your right shoulder. But this one never met the technical target, and that's quite ridiculous. Okay, so you went from the top to the bottom right there, and this is where you broke out of, in my opinion. And look where this takes you. That takes you to $28,000, but it was never ever met. Okay, that target was never met, and we just came to the $32,000, and then from there we moved to the upside. But that's also good. Why do we want to go down anyway? We want to go for an uptrend, right? So here we are, the bullish cross about to happen, inverse head and shoulder, morning star, Heikin Ashi green. you're clicking everything into place and telling us, Bitcoin is giving us the sign, because this is how we read the charts, that it's okay now. We're starting to move to the upside, because this cross, the last time the bearish cross happened was nearly November 30, and now you're about to get the bullish cross by February. So this time, guys, it could happen, and we're about to get that massive big rally. Patience is gonna pay off for so many people who are holding their coins, who didn't sell in loss. Congratulations. And that's it for today's Bitcoin update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.